Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess my location. I'm in the forest. Now I want to show you where we get drinking water. Here it is, our drinking water. This is where we put the water.
So what do you put there? Like how do you go? You go like this. Then unaeka kitu huko.
Yes.
Why haven't you come with nini of showing them? Haven't you come with something of showing them how they do it? People who don't know.
You just sit here, or if you don't want your shoes, just remove your shoes.
You don't remove your shoes. Just go with your shoes. So that water is consumable. It is underground water.
Yes.
But can you bathe here?
If you want.
No, you can't bathe here.
Here.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, but this water is consumable. Can you come? Just can you shika hii camera like this?
So you can drink that water like this. It is just drinkable. Oh my god. Okay, you wash your hands then. It is sweet. It doesn't have mini. It's called what? It doesn't have salt. It is fresh. Now this is in Kijaluo. How I know it is called soko, but I don't know it in English. What's the name in English?
It's not a river, but this water is consumable. Yeah, and I know the area. What about the area of this place? Is it clean or is it dirty?
It is clean and then it is green.
Is this area clean, Bianca? How you are seeing this area?
I'm seeing it there. Green.
There. Our village is very beautiful. Today we are in the forest. Yeah, now look at the girl. How is Ushago? It is fun. Can you bathe? I want to see the way you are bathing. Remove your clothes. That is not a problem. Can you taste the water and feel how it's tasting? It is sweet. Wash your face too. It is people say that it has what? I don't know. That people say that the water has some kind of dawa. If you drink it, you don't, I don't know, you heal if you are having diseases. So you can bathe here. You can even piga mbizi. You can swim. Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Okay, so that is Bianca Del. Yeah, and this is her area. Can you play around the trees? Is that the way you play?
You play like this and then you can jump around. You play around. But don't play too much going around. You can faint.
What is that? I'm hearing some ngombes.
Those are cows.
The cows are grazing. Where are your cows?
My cows are at home.
I can see some boy over there. Akona mtungi.
He's grazing the cows.
I don't know what he's doing. Yeah. So guys, today we have come to I don't know, a forest. Look at where we are. I don't know if it's isolated or what, but it's not isolated. There are people. Can you come here at night?
No.
Look at the camera. Can you come here at night?
No.
Tell me a story. Why did you lie yesterday? Why? By the way, Bianca, tell me. Why did you lie?